In these two examples, we're going to be using irrational numbers. So we're going to simplify irrational numbers. So we have square root of 20. So there is no square root of 20. So we want to simplify it. So let's break it apart using the factorization tree. So I have 2 times 10, 2 times 5. Make groups of the same numbers. You're looking for a square, which means two numbers that are the same. From the two numbers that are the same in that group, bring one out. So you have 2 2s, 2 in the outside. What is left over? The 5. And that is a simplified version. You can always rewrite it. You have square root of 20. Rewrite it where one is a perfect square and the other is not a perfect square. So you can say square root of 4 times square root of 5. Square root of 4 is 2. No square root of 5, so that stays. And gives you the same answers. Your choice, how do you want to do it? I try to do the grouping method. Using the factorization tree, you group the ones that are the same, pull it out. Let's see 250. So we can do 10 times 25, 2 times 5, 5 times 5, right? Let's make groups of 2 because we're looking for square root. So I have these 2 5s over here. I can't group these 2 and 5 because they're not the same number, so those stays. Bring one out, gives you 5. Leftovers, 2 times 5, 10. Now we can also break this into a perfect, which is 25, times a non-perfect. Square root of 25 is 5. Bring the non-perfect. You end up with both answers. So when you want to simplify the irrational numbers, think about one that's perfect times one that's not. Take the square root of what is perfect, that comes out, and what is not stays inside the square root. So this and this are your final answer for both of these examples.